Alright guys, so today's hair is from Elva Hair, and I'm actually going to be installing this unit as seen here on this beautiful girl. Alright guys, so this is the overall construction of the unit. The unit comes with 4 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings at the nape. So this is what the unit looks like straight out the box, unaltered. This is a 13x6 lace frontal unit. She's 14 inches. She's pre-plucked, and this is a body wave texture. She was super soft, y'all, like butter. My hands was gliding through them. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the install. I'm first going to do the ball cap method. Now, I don't know if I'm going to stick with it, but I've been loving it so far. So first I'm going to go in with my Erika J Wax Stick to lay down this unit. I feel like when I prep the wig before I actually melt it, like install it, it just gives me a more flawless look. So yeah, I'm just going in with my hot comb. I have it on the highest setting. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off, and y'all, I'm not using regular foundation no more, and I'm not using tinting spray. Underneath my lace, I added cream foundation. I actually mixed 2 shades together, but the shade is a little bit too warm, as you guys can see, but we're gonna make it work. But anyway, y'all, it makes your lace look like you took the time to bleach the knots when you did not, okay? This is my favorite trick and tip that I'm going to be using from here on out, and I just feel like it just made my install flawless. Like, what lace? Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and secure my unit down using my got2b glue blasting freeze spray. If you guys are looking for an alternative to glue, well, yeah, adhesive bonding glue, I think that's what you call it, try got2b glue. It's a stronghold, but it can be easily removed with water. So I'm going to go ahead and secure my entire wig down, and yeah, we'll be back. I just wanted to jump in real quick to say, if you guys have problems with your lace lifting towards the end, just try taking the back of your comb or the tail end of the comb and press it down so it can lay super flat. You don't want it sticking up and rolling back. So this is what she looks like after I fully secure her, and she looks good. We are going to go in with some baby hairs today. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull out a section of hair. So taking my scissors, I do cut at an angle. If you guys are new to baby hairs, I would say always start off with longer pieces of hair and then, you know, just work your way up shorter. If you cut them too short in the beginning, there is no coming back from that, and it's just done and over with. But that's just a quick tip. Y'all, I just wanted to tell you guys how easy it was to do my baby hairs this day. Like, the hairs were super soft and buttery that it was just laying down. Like, I didn't have to force it. I didn't have to do much. It was just super easy to swoop. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the hair was super soft, super silky, super buttery. So it was no problem for me to lay it down. And I actually used got2b glue gel this time. Normally I use the what was I using lately? I think lately I just been using the got2b glue spray, but I went back to the gel and I forgot how much of good stuff this was. So this is how it looks after I let it sit for 10 minutes. I actually went back over it and sprayed it with some got2b glue. I shouldn't have did that because it actually made it look a little shiny and hard. So now is the styling portion. I always struggle to style it if I don't have anything in mind. So I was like, let me just try a middle part. But then I was like, you always do middle parts, so let's not do a middle part today. So I was like, no. So I decided to try to do like a side part. I had a picture in mind that I seen on Pinterest, and I was gonna do this style, but then I was like, I don't know. The way I be looking, y'all, because sometimes I be like, girl, you look a mess. No. All right, so lastly, I was like, I want to try this 2 pigtail style that I've seen, but y'all, I was trying to swoop that up there, and I was like, you try to just do a rough draft. Nah, I'm good. Anyway, I ended up resorting back to the middle part, as you guys can see, and I'm just gonna do some back curls. Now, every time I use this flat iron, everyone asks what it is, but it's no longer on Amazon. That's where I originally purchased it from. So I'm just gonna go in and actually get another hair tool that resembles this, so I can, start. So you guys can have something to work with, because I know it doesn't help when I was like, oh yeah, it's not on the site no more. But anyway, I love how this hair can hold a curl. So overall, I don't have any cons. I know y'all probably saying, what? No, sis, I don't have any cons. This hair is 14 inches, so I wish I really had it in the beginning of the summer, okay? It was too hot for me to be walking around with all these inches. But guess what, y'all? Short hair is just in any time of the year. So yeah, if you guys are short hair lovers and you're looking for an affordable unit to check out, definitely would recommend this unit. Let's get into the lace though. The lace is just on a whole nother level. I'm not sure if it's Swiss, so don't hold me to that, but I'm almost 100% sure this is Swiss lace. Like I said, it does come pre-plucked. But the way Swiss lace just does, I don't know, y'all. I can't even explain. Y'all see it for yourself. Look how good this looks. Anyway, y'all, I just want to say overall, I didn't have any problems with the unit shedding or tangling. I feel with like shorter lengths of hair, you don't really have that much problem with tangling. Like I said, shedding non-existent, but I'm not saying it's not going to not shed, but I just haven't experienced that so far. But y'all, this is pretty much it, y'all. I love the density, I love the body on this unit, and y'all, if y'all interested in this unit or you want to check it out for yourself, I will leave all that information in the description section below. So we gonna go now, y'all, cause yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.